It's time to create, it's time to create. It's time to experiment and make something great. Show your own colors in your own way. It's time to create, it's time to create.
Today we are going to create DIY crayon shapes. In this easy art activity, we're going to turn ordinary crayons and crayon stubs into fun shapes such as flowers, stars, or cars that are fun to draw with. Plus, they make great gifts and party favors. Let's gather our materials. The materials we'll need to make DIY crayon shapes include crayons, and we would avoid washable crayons, as they will leave a waxy layer on top of your shape. And we will need a silicone baking or candy mold. Let's create! To begin, we'll remove the paper from the crayons, then break them into small pieces. A helpful tip is to soak the crayons in water. This will make the paper removal faster and easier. Next, we'll place the crayon pieces in the silicone mold, filling each shape. Now ask an adult to help you put the mold on a foil-lined baking sheet in a 275 Fahrenheit or 135 Celsius oven for about 20 minutes or until they are completely melted. Then ask an adult to remove the baking sheet with the mold from the oven and let it cool. Finally, push your new crayon shapes out of the molds. Draw with them, or package them up to give as gifts. I hope you enjoyed this art activity.